menstrual cramps, menstrual migraines, regulating your periods, making them more predictable, keeping them from not going too long or going too infrequently. Either way, birth control pills can help. Talking to your mom about birth control pills does not mean you have to say to your mom, guess what, I'm doing it. In fact, many girls on a birth control pill are choosing not to have sex. So it may be worth reminding her of all the things you're doing right in your life, the choices that you make, and also about how you want to address any medical concerns that the birth control pill can help. That includes menstrual cramps, menstrual migraines, regulating your periods, making them more predictable, keeping them from not going too long or going too infrequently. Either way, birth control pills can help. It also can be a great opportunity to clarify your values and to share them out loud with your parents, especially with your mother, and speaking as a mom. And it's worthwhile hearing from them. What are their dreams and goals for you? So it's a great door opener for interesting conversation.